So how do you change settings of a mouse? So let's see. So number one thingy here, number one step here we are having is that click the start button. Click the start button left of your screen, then click settings. Then click central or what we call control panel. So let's see. So let us click on that button, or what we call the start button. Click the start button at the bottom left of your screen. So this is it. This is the button. This is the button. So they are saying that after clicking it, I think you can see how the screen changes. So then click settings, then click control panel. Then a new window will pop up. A new window will pop up. So from a new window that pops up, look for the ease of access, ease of access section, and click on the board. And after clicking on the board, that is ease of access link. So after clicking on the ease of access, they change how your mouse works or link. So I think you can see ease of access as how you are seeing it here on the computers, how you are seeing it on the computer. You can see that after clicking on ease of access center here, then it takes you to what we call mouse settings. So let's continue and see this information below here. So they're saying that at the bottom of this window, you might need to scroll down. You will see also section, click on the mouse settings link. So let us do it practically here. Let us do it practically here. So they are saying that click here, then choose settings. So let me type there settings. I think you can see. So after clicking on my settings, they have said I choose control panel. I choose control panel. So let me look for my control panel, and on this panel here, where am I? Then I will look for ease of access. So ease of access. So after choosing ease of access, then I will continue and come to mouse. I think you can see mouse here. Navigate below and come to your mouse. So make it easier to see and control the mouse cursor. Control your mouse with a keyboard. Turn on the mouse keys to use the numeric keyboard to move with the mouse pointer. So for me, change other mouse options. So you can change your mouse options from this side. I think you have seen it. So let us continue. Let us continue with our work. Let us continue with our work. So now we are having here step number 4, a dialog box link, a dialog box like the one to the right will appear. This is what they are trying to mean. Click the white box next to the switch, primary and secondary buttons text to check it. Then they are saying that click the apply button. At the bottom of the dialog box, it will only be active if you make a change in this dialog box. Then click OK button. So you may now close the remaining open windows by clicking on the X in the upper right hand corner of the window you want to close. But remember, this exclamation mark, this one, the mouse buttons have been switched. It means that changes have been made. So let me come back here. So this is what they are telling you in here. So after reaching here, you can select your primary button. You can choose left or right. So if you choose right, it means that you have changed the setup of your keyboard. So it is changing the what? That is why it is not yet active. So let me close. So as it is doing it, let us continue. Let's continue. So this is it, what it has changed. You see now, what was my right has changed to left. What was my left has changed to the right. So this is what they are trying to tell you. Now it has turned. So now if I click here, now my thingy turns back. So that is what they were trying to tell you, that you change the directions of your keyboard or any set of your mouse. You change any of your mouse, you change your mouse settings. So let us continue. creating shortcuts on your desktop. Creating shortcuts on your desktop. You can customize your desktop in many ways. You can customize your desktop in many ways. The most practical additions to your desktop would be shortcuts. You can create shortcuts programs you use on a regular basis and or folders and files you use on a regular basis. So how do you do that? How do you do that? Create a folder on desktop. Create a folder on a desktop. Right click on an empty space on your desktop and then click new folder. So this is the procedure of creating a folder on a desktop. A new folder will appear on your desktop with the name new folder highlighted. Type the name you want to name this folder and then it is ready to use for more convenient storage. So let's see how to create this folder practically on our desktop. So I will come here and come to my desktop here. Then I right click here. I choose new folder here. So after choosing a new folder, this is what they are telling us, that new folder, new folder will be created for us. You remove that new folder details, then you put there the details that you want to put there. For example, I can say class and I press enter key. So after finishing that, I can again press enter key, enter into my class folder.